Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create zoom out transitions for your edits in CapCut. So just add your clips on photos to CapCut, and after that what you need to do is use keyframes. So add two keyframes on each photos or clip, one at the start and the other one at the end of the clip or photos, like this. And then on the first keyframe you need to zoom in the photos or clips like this. You can zoom it as you like, so you need to do this on the first keyframe so that it will have zoom out effect. Okay, after that you are done. So the result will go like this. It will zoom out the photos or clips. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.